Thanks to Trump's tariff announcement on China on Friday, we actually saw rates come back down a little bit. We'll get into that in a second. But what's going to happen this week? Well, that's a good question because the government is still shut down. And until we get a continuing resolution signed, you're going to see interest rates probably slide sideways. One good piece of news, though, Bureau of Labor and Statistics is bringing back some of their folks so they can do the CPI and the PPI numbers so that we can actually, get people paid, Social Security. But let's take a look at what's on the economic calendar this week. Nothing today. Bond market's closed. Obviously, something big going on in Israel with the release of hostages. We'll see how that progresses. Tuesday, we got Fed Chair Powell speaking. We have on Wednesday, we got the Fed's Beige Book, which kind of gives their basically an assessment of what they're thinking on the market. Thursday, we actually do have some pretty good economic news that will move the needle. We have initial and continuing jobless claims. We also have the Producer Price Index coming out. Also on Thursday, we have the National Association of Home Builders, their Housing Market Index. We'll see if the sentiment of home builders has improved. And then on Friday, we have housing starts, building permits, and capacity utilization. Pretty light reports this week, but Thursday, I think we'll get some more information that will move the market. And then you just never know what's going to happen with the government shutdown. And then again, some more tariff talks. We've seen tariff talks move markets pretty drastically up or down. All right, let's take a look at interest rates. All right, so for conventional rates, we're still right around 6.25, 6.35 range. VA rates, we ended the week a little lower than where we started. We started at 6.09, ended at 6.04. Again, that was in large part due to President Trump basically slamming China with reciprocal tariffs as China made some moves on their rare earth minerals. So in any case, that's about what we got going on this week. Stay tuned. If there's anything else that comes up, I will let you know. Have a great week. Aloha.